Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you how to use Reels on Instagram.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
Instagram has started out their new Reels feature, which allows user to shoot up to 15-second videos. Watch this full video to learn how to use this new feature. To begin, open the Instagram app. Now tap on your story from the top left corner to create a new Instagram story. Select Reels from the bottom. It's located beside the story option. If you wish to add some effects, audio and more, there are 4 options present in the left corner. From the top, there is an option to add audio from a plethora of music options. Tap on audio option and select a song using the Instagram music library. You can browse any category, or you can search your favorite music. You can choose the part of the music you want for your video. Move the slider to select this. Then tap on Done from the top right corner. There is the option to adjust the video speed from slow motion to fast forward. This option adds various effects that will show next to the shutter button at the bottom. And this option sets you a timer. Drag to choose how long this clip will be. Then tap Set Timer. Now long press the shutter button in the middle. Then it will start recording. After 10 seconds, the video will stop recording. Then tap on Next. Now you can add any sticker here. You can also add any text from here. Once you are satisfied with the videos created, you need to tap on the next icon in the bottom right corner. You will now get an option to add hashtags and a caption. The option to share it as Reels or as Stories. And the option to share it on feed too, as it will appear in the Reels section in Explore. Then finally, tap on the share button at the bottom. Now your Instagram Reels will be shared with people on Instagram. This is your Reel, which you have shared just now. For more options, go to your profile, and open the Reel. Here you will find all your uploaded Reels. You can react on your Reel, see other person's comments, or make a comment. Send this Reel to anyone from here. Then tap the 3 dots beside this. You can delete the Reel from here anytime. That's all you need to know about this new Instagram feature. So in this way, you can use Reels on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.